If you're using an Android phone, sometimes on your Android phone you may not be able to see lock screen notifications. That means notifications will not be there on your lock screen. If you're having a problem like this, in this video we'll be telling you about how to solve this. For this, open Settings. When you're opening Settings, you can see one option, Notifications. Click on Notifications. And according to brands, there will be some changes. I am using a Poco branded phone. In Poco and Redmi branded phones, the options are like this. Anyways, if you're having any confusions, above you can see the Search Settings option. Click on Search Settings and search for Notification or Notifications. When you are searching for that, you can see that option. Select that option. When you are selecting that, anywhere you can see the lock screen option. Click on Lock Screen, and when you are clicking on that, here you can see the Format option. In Poco branded phones it is like this, or you can see a similar option. Click on that. When you are clicking on that, sometimes it will be set to Don't Show Lock Screen Notification. If you want lock screen notifications, what you need to do is either select Show Notification and Content or Show Notification but Hide Content. If you are selecting Show Notification and Content, for example, if a message is coming in WhatsApp, there will be a notification saying one WhatsApp message is there and you can also see that message. But if you don't want to see that message, you can select Show Notification but Hide Content. In that case, you can see that one notification is there from WhatsApp, but you cannot see that message. You can select either of these according to your need. So this way you can easily enable lock screen notifications on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.